Hello everyone, welcome to Global Disaster News. According to Kazakhstan National Data Center, an earthquake of 3.3 magnitude felt in Russia. Depth of this earthquake is 10 km and this earthquake felt on Friday, April 22, 2022. Local time is 11:53 am. Weather at epicenter at time of quake: light rain, 4.4 degrees centigrade, 40 Fahrenheit, humidity is 87% and wind is 3 meters per second from south. Estimated release energy from this quake is 1.56 megawatt hours, which is equivalent to 1.34 tons. If you are in Russia and you felt this quake, make sure to comment. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates about earthquake. Thanks for watching.